Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is fixing my dirt bike part 2, because I couldn't film that much longer, and I'm almost out of battery again, and now we're putting the oil in.
Flashlight.
Oh, flashlight.
Shine on here.
And we got that thing off. It's just right there. And yeah, everything else. There's the battery and the gas tank. We have lots of fuel and he's off again. Let's go see what he's up to. Oh my gosh. My picture's bad. It's better when I'm outside in the light.
You want to look inside the tube and make sure. Yeah. What is that? Oh, that's just. Look,
Wait.
that's kind of a.
Wait, okay. What?
You can kind of see some oil and dirt right inside here. That in there. And make sure we clean all that out. Really good. This part up in here that we want to get really clean. Get up into the carburetor if it's way up in there, that wouldn't be good.
No.
Yeah, we've got that mostly all clean. Ooh, look at this. Look at this spider web up here on top. There's a cocoon. Maybe that's where that spider was at.
Yeah.
There's a spider in there.
There was a spider that dropped down off of my bike.
Look. It's a spider. It's a baby spider.
There was a spider that dropped down off of my bike later, or before I started. So it was big, black.
Big old black and
Black,
yellow or white.
No, it was white. It was black.
Black and white.
Black. It was like this big. Wait, like that big.
And while you've got your plastics off, it's a good time to clean everything up, make it look a little better.
Yeah. He's cleaning up the gas tank. There's some dust. Wow, that side is dirty. That side is really dirty.
Okay, I think I've got that pretty clean over there. So.
But this side is dust and dirt.
Where that spider's at, do you want to take that and clean that off over there? Water up in your hand. You don't ever see this, but still, just to know it's clean and stuff.
Okay, do you want me to put this?
Huh? Just put it over there on the table. Right in that.
There's lots of dirt on that. And I hit that gas. Or that, not gas thingy.
Okay.
Oh.
Now, we gotta put oil in
Really
there.
bad.
We gotta re-oil that filter. Here's the clean filter. And
it's finally clean.
it's a good idea to put on some rubber gloves.
Yeah.
If you've got sores on your hand, especially so you don't get that oil, that filter oil, in your hands. So I'm going to put on some gloves here. So I can handle that oil all right. And we're going to re-oil that filter.
Are those latex gloves?
Those are latex gloves.
Yeah.
Trilon synthetic polyvinyl gloves. We have a box of them that we keep for doing stuff like this.
Yeah.
And then we take them, that's cleaner.
Filter
We don't
cleaner.
want that. We use that.
Do we need
now
the
we want to get
filter
the filter oil? And we want to take the filter, and we'll use our can that we used before. Make sure all the water's in it. And we're just gonna.
Wait, let me get over here.
Maybe give me those paper towels on it. Clean that out first. Get all the water out of that.
Okay.
Yes, and then we'll.
It's wet.
What we'll do is we'll take this and we'll just pour some over here. Like this.
Filter oil on the thing.
And we'll just kind of
Fold it up.
get it.
Mixes in with that easily. Put
Some in there like that.
dip it in there.
Put it in there and make sure we get it. Plenty of oil in it.
Yep.
I'll make sure
And
it's-
what is the oil supposed to do?
Well, the oil helps collect the dirt
Yeah.
that would come in through your cleaner, and that's what it does.
Yeah, those gloves must help a lot.
Oh yeah, look what would be happening there if you didn't have those gloves on.
Yeah. I'd probably be burning your hand. The sore.
Well, you know, it wouldn't hurt you, but
Yeah,
it would be getting your hands all dirty.
And wouldn't it burn because you have the sore
Yeah.
on your hand?
Yeah. So I think we've got that one pretty well saturated. So let's just sit that right there for now. And I'm gonna take the gloves off.
And put them in the trash.
Put them in the trash. You turn them inside out like this, and you don't get any oil in your hands.
Okay, I have to go in this because my tablet's almost out of battery. Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna end it here, and then I'm not gonna make a part 3, but yeah. So see you guys later, and like, subscribe, and peace.